go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta go and get it, gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it. That's how the vlog will start off, and then my intro.
Say you want someone. Say you want someone. Said you want someone.
Say you want someone. I think I got mixed personalities. This bitch switched up my whole mentality. This girl, she got mixed personalities. One day she's happy, then she mad.
Hey. Come on in. Welcome to my Florida villa. Kitchen. I like to drink brown apple in the afternoons, coffee, tea. Fridge is messy. Bar on the side. This is where me and my family like to eat a lot of times. Or, I mean, that's where we watch TV, this is where we eat. This is our pool room. This inside, I love to come out when it's like this because I have all this space to myself. Nobody comes outside when it's raining. But me. Dip in the pool. I'm joking, guys. Do a dime. Let's go upstairs. No, you know what? I'm forgetting something. The game room. Wait, let's see what this is. I've never been in here.
Oops, you can't get in.
I guess I still won't. Okay. The owners forgot to give me the key to that door. This is my other bedroom. It's there. This is the game room where the kids like to come in and play whatever and leave my phone. This is always one of my favorite games, right? Kind of that. I had to get in one of my own. Oh dear. I love playing pool. They put it around the board. This is foosball, right? Basically, there's all the little men over here. And they're fighting each other for my life. Air hockey. It's time to go upstairs. We have to hurry up.
Here, I gotta go before you. I gotta go before you.
I had the children.
So we will go downstairs.
You just chased me upstairs like everyone. You said, this is why I had the children.
Oh my gosh. This is the boys' room. I believe that's the restaurant. This is where my sister sleeps. This is the other boy room for my new kids that I'm gonna have because I'm pregnant with twins. I heard it here first.
Actually hiding in the menu room.
This is the girls' room.
Yeah, she bought a room
They're
just
dirty.
for us.
Let's go.
No,
We are not dirty. We are not dirty. Want to know the truth?
What's the name of this room, yo?
It's a
Disney room.
Princess?
Pink mess. Come on. They
Princess?
Here. They didn't make the beds up. Come on, let's
Princess?
go.
I'm gonna tell her the
Is that what
truth.
you said?
No, don't tell the truth. Thanks for touring my house.
Wasn't really thinking, wasn't looking, wasn't searching for an answer. In the moonlight, when I saw your face, saw you looking at me, saw you peeking out from under moonbeams, through the palm trees, swaying in the breeze. I know I'm feeling so much more than ever before, and so I'm giving.
I think this might be right now.
You have fun? Okay, on the camera.